guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 5 of Rainbow Week. Wow, it is flying by, it really is. Today, as you can probably tell, we're on purple. I've gone for a much more muted situation today. I haven't gone as crazy with the old theme because I thought I would do something that's maybe, I don't know, prom appropriate. Something that's still fun and colourful but just maybe a little bit more wearable. So yeah, just really pretty kind of soft purples on the eyes and then like a nice purpley toned pink on the lip. I hope you guys are enjoying Rainbow Week so far. Thank you so much for all of your lovely comments on yesterday's video. I'm so glad you liked it. I was really pleased with how the look turned out. So I'm glad you liked it so much. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm posting like pictures, up close pictures and stuff of the looks over there as well. So make sure you look over there and subscribe if you're new, or not new. If you just watch my videos every once in a while, subscribe and then you don't miss any. That's all I have to say. I hope you enjoy purple and let's go on with the video. Okay, oh, it is hot again today. England's weird, like the temperature just kind of fluctuates. Like some days it's going to be sweltering hot and some days it's bloody cold. I think I'm going to use my Coloured Rain Queen of Hearts palette today, and I think I'm going to try and stick to just this on my eyes. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I highly recommend it if you don't own it. Let me just zoom in because I'm going to start on my eyes. I think I want to do something pretty, something maybe a bit prom appropriate. Let's just come in there. Let's just have a play, shall we? I'm actually sweating. I'm also breaking out. I think it's that I'm wearing makeup every day because I don't actually normally wear makeup 7 days a week. So I think my skin is having a bit of a freak out over here. I also think it's hormonal, so just ignore it. I am going to start with the shade Princess. Sorry if my lids look a little bit green. Obviously yesterday's look was green and it's kind of stained my eyelids. Get rid of some of that colour. If I was doing something really dark then I wouldn't mind, but I don't know what I'm going to do yet and I don't want to look like I've got mouldy eyelids, like apparently mouldy lipsticks now. Oh, thank you so much for all the lovely comments on yesterday's video, by the way. I was a bit worried that it wasn't going to turn out okay, and then I managed to pull it together at the end there, so yeah, thank you. I'm glad you guys liked it and enjoyed the video so much. That's why I do it. Right, going in with Princess. This is my transition colour. So I'm just gonna buff this into my crease. I am gonna bring this one all the way in, but this is the only colour I'm blending the whole way through, just for a slightly softer look than my usual look, which is bringing all of the shades all the way up under my brow. For something like prom, you want it to be a little bit softer. It's not going to be crazy soft. I'm definitely going to be using those two purples, so we say it's soft and then I actually get started, it won't be that soft. We'll just see. I really like this colour actually. It's a little bit darker than I thought it was, but I really don't mind it. I think it's a lovely shade. So hot. Oh my god. It is warm. It's because my office is the top floor of the house. It's a loft conversion, so I'm up in the attic. And as we know, hot air rises, so all the hot air from the house comes up in here. And then to top it all off, I've got all of the lights on me. I've got 3 massive lights and a ring light. And I can't open the windows, A, because it's loud, and B, because when I open the window that door opens and closes and it's so annoying. So I'm just sweltering. Right, next I'm going to go in with a bit of Ladyship, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous like Vimto purple. And this is going on the outer lid and buffed into the crease. I'm then also taking Princess and I'm going to pop that for now on my lid. I think we're going to add some sparkle again in a minute, but I'm just starting matte. So I'm taking Queen Mother and I don't know, I'm really torn. Right, we're gonna have to move on to a different palette. There's not a deep enough purple here for me. So I am going in with, I'm gonna mix Vintage and Americano from Makeup Geek. I might have to use black. I didn't want to have to use black, but I can't find a dark smoky purple. So we're gonna softly do a wing. Right. As my lid colour, I'm going to use Royal Highness. I guess like a pinky kind of taupe. Oh. I'm going to use my finger. There we go. That's better. Yay. You guys are going crazy on my Instagram on the picture of the green look from yesterday. Thank you for all of your lovely, lovely comments. If you don't yet, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's definitely my favourite social media. I will just plug myself there if you aren't following me. It's just my favourite platform. And you guys are so nice to me over there. I am going to do a winged liner. This is the Milani iTech Extreme liquid liner. And I'm just going to basically go where I've winged out my shadow. We've moved away from soft, we're going a little bit more dramatic now. Who wants matching liner anyway? That's so like, who wants that? Not me. Let's do some foundation. I feel like everything will start to look a bit better when I've got some foundation on my face. I got out my L'Oreal primer and I can't find it. My high-end dupe for the product I was looking for is my MAC strobe cream. I was looking for my L'Oreal Lumi Magique primer and I got it out especially for this look and it's nowhere to be seen. So strobe cream it is. I'm going to use a throwback, my NARS Sheer Glow. I mean, it's a throwback for my channel, but not a throwback for me. I still use this like all the time. Okay, under my eyes to conceal, I'm going to use the very last remnants of my Tarte Shape Tape. I've not used this in a while because it's oh, that was close. Oh my god, I just got loads out. Yes. I'm actually filming this look the day the day before I upload it. I was a day ahead and then I had a day out and now I'm filming, editing, uploading on the same day, so I'm trying to get back ahead again. I am, as usual, taking my RCMA No Colour Loose Powder and I am setting, prevent creasing. I'm quickly going to contour my nose and then I'll be right back, babe. I'm going to use the Stila Magnificent Metals Liquid glitter thing in Rose Gold Retro, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and I'm just taking a little bit and tapping it on the inner third of the lid. I will go back over the liner and I'm also popping a little bit on my inner corner. Bringing in the pink, apparently. Back in with the liner, just on top. For my mascara, I'm going to use my Bad Gal Bang. I'm just going to go off camera quickly and put on some lashes. I'm going to wear the smallest pair from the Doll Beauty set and then I'll be right back. Okay, I've put on my lashes. I need to do my lower lash line. I'm in two minds about my lips. I could either take it there and go full purple or go for a pink. I'm gonna go for pink. For bronzer, I'm gonna use one of my old favorites, my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I will never not love this. And it's expensive, but when I run out, I will repurchase it, 100%. The bronzer is lovely. And the highlight is gorgeous. I'm just gonna softly take Princess under my eye. Well, under both eyes, under eyes. Plural, I have two of them. And then also a tiny bit of Ladyship. Mascara. I never wear purple on my eyes. I don't really like it on me. But let me know what you think. And then on my lash line, I'm doing, or my waterline, one of my favourite tricks is using the By Terry Ombre Black Stars, except this is in the shade Misty Rock, a smoky quartz kind of shade. And once you've got it on the lash line, it actually looks quite similar to the Rose Gold Retro. For my blush, I am going to wear... No, I'm not. I'm going to wear MAC Dame, which is a pink. Gonna go quite blushy. As much as I would like to use my Doll Beauty one, I'm gonna wear this one from Sleek. It's the Cleopatra's Kiss highlight. I'm gonna mix these two together. I'm gonna spritz my face first. I always forget how nice Sleek's highlights are. For the lips, I'm going to do a pink, so I'm going to start with Soar lip pencil from MAC. I never really wear straight up like pink. Like the neon pink was different. I normally wear like a nude pink. Kind of like a mauvey pink. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to wear Bourjois Don't Pink of It. Okay everyone, here is the completed look. This is like pretty makeup. I don't tend to wear winged liner all that often because I don't actually think it really suits me. I don't really wear winged liner, I don't really wear purple, and I also don't really wear pink. But I'm really happy with how this look turned out. Even though it's not like out there, it's really different for me. This is a very different kind of colour palette that I don't tend to wear all that often, but I'm really digging it. I like it. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. I have linked all of the products I use down below, hopefully. If not, I will eventually do it. Make sure you are subscribed and that you've given this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They are linked down below. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Have the best day ever, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!